Alright, everybody, I'm about to tune the car because everybody been asking me how to flash. So I got some new parts in, and I'm giving a new flash right now. She's on stock base map. I'm about to put a new map on, test it out. Start this car up, give her some juice. Car's a little dirty, don't mind her. First thing you want to do is put it on the battery position. Dash lights come on. Turn everything off, radio, lights, whatever. Plug in your pecan cable, your tablet. Plug in your wire. Let me check to see if Jb4 is off. Turn off Jb4. Just turned it off. Mine was on. Go back into the app. I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of bright. Well, you know, if you never backed up your DME before, you're gonna hit, try to get a better view. You're gonna hit resume or back DME up, which I'm about to do right now. And then right here in the bottom where it says HW, that's your DME version. I have a i8 AOS, depending on what year, you know, it's all different. After it's done, you'll get this message: DME software was generated, blah blah blah, to file, and go back. Mine is already on here, so that's probably why it's so fast. Depending if you did it before, it might take a little minute, or it might take like a minute. Then you're gonna go on the back end flash map, Jb4 i8 AOS, and then I have all the maps for every setup. You're gonna choose your map depending on your setup, and click on mine. Then you're gonna come to this screen, and then the write up time is gonna show you 18:38 minutes. Usually takes about 20 to 30 max. And you're gonna hit options, you know, depending on what you want. Right now, I'm gonna leave the Burple stock because I'm not messing with that right now. Took it off. Cold start, noise reduction if you want it. OEM catted downpipes if you still got stock exhaust. Deactivate kickdown or downshift switch. I think that's for automatics. Manual transmission box fix. I have that checked. And then you have a few other stuff if your car's not stock. Coil packs, you know, O2 sensor, you know, and knock tables. I'm not gonna mess with none of that. I'm just gonna put the manual transmission bog on there. And then if you got the wastegate rattle fix, you know, down here. And then 3.5 bar sensor, 4 bar, linear throttle mapping, all that extra stuff. Depending on what you want, you click what you want. But I'm gonna keep it simple. Hit back. And then I'm gonna click full right. Boom, contact and DME connected. And you see this message, it's gonna say preparing. Make sure everything's off. It's gonna say preparing DME. It'll take a little minute to start. And then boom, here goes the time. It started. So once this starts, you want to get out the car. This car knows when you're in there. Close the door. Leave your windows open. You can just set the tablet down wherever you please. I'm gonna just set it right here. Nice comfortable spot. Now here's the car. You guys haven't seen, just got her back. She's been in the shop for a month. I went away, so I had to take care of business. Here's my mod, single turbo. I'm gonna put the tuner on there. I got the turbo powder coated. I got the hot side of the charge fire powder coated, same color. I ain't powder coat this side. I might do it later. I just left it for now. It's the black wrinkle finish that came on it. You know, it's got a few battle scars, so don't mind that. It's all about performance right now. And then fix about the cosmetics later. So I'm gonna let this go ahead and go through and flash. Turn this video off and then I'm gonna come back when it's done. Alright guys, this shit is done. It's a success. You back out, turn off the car, take off the cables. Do my phone. This down. Yeah, it's just rusty, but I'm gonna change that eventually. Yeah, I serviced all that stuff down there, so it's good. Mount the camera right here. The camera had died. I had to shut it off, let it charge. But yeah, this is a few days later. But to finish the video, I'm gonna tell you that after you finish successfully flashing your map, you want to go to your settings, and if you don't already have your Jb4 set the back end flash mode, so you're gonna go to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the tachometer right there, and you go to 2. See, mine's already set on 2, so there you go. After that, you lock it in, down, 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 and you go over to your app right here. You can go over to settings, user adjustments. It's gonna load up. Go down, down, down. Default wastegate position, you're gonna have to set to 75. Wastegate adaptation, you're gonna set to 50 if it's not already there. And then the next thing you gotta worry about if you're single turbo or upgraded turbos is the map sensor. If you got stock map sensor, you're gonna leave it at 0. If you got a 3.5 bar, you're gonna put 1, just 1, and then that's it. You hit save, and then everything saves. And when you drive the car, it might change a little, depending on how everything running. Jb4 might change, a little something to make the car run, perfect. So there you go. That's it. Oh, and if you want to start the car, there she goes. Start it up. That's it.